Today is a real sunny day, so it's time to kill the weeds in the garden. I mean, they have been growing like mad because we had so much rain and I had no chance to spray them. So this is already 100 liters that I've done so far, so this is another 20. And then I should be done on the courtyard, and then we need to do the rest. Now, I do love nature, but I don't like the Green Party because I call them environmental terrorists. One of the issues is that they prohibited the sale of specific weed-killing products. So now you have these El Cheapo products, the eco-green products that don't help at all. You have to spray about 4 or 5 times a year to have the weeds killed. But wherever there is a will, there is a way. I got my way to get the real stuff, and I only have to spray it once a year. So let me get on. Well, we are done. 150 liters later. Now it's just the time to rinse it out, and I'm going to do it here on the concrete because I have some grooves at the end where I also have some weeds, so I might as well do that. Let me put the stop up and shake it. Alright. So that should be good for the complete season. Next season we'll have to do it all over again. Alright. So this is cleaned out and it can go back in the barn. And the next thing is cutting the hedge. Although I do have a new hedge trimmer for the tractor, it hasn't arrived. I have to wait another 4 to 5 weeks. And I just don't have the time to wait that long because the hedge is getting pretty tall. Let me show you. As you can see, the hedge is pretty wild, so it's going to take a while to do it. I can hear my neighbor is also already working in his garden. So I'm going to get the hedge trimmer and we'll start. To trim the hedge, I'm going to use an electrical hedge trimmer run on a battery. And this is a pretty heavy lithium battery, but it's very, very useful. I've been cutting already for a couple of hours and I'm at 55%, so that's not too bad. And the blade is about 80 centimeters, so I can do quite some cutting in one go. So let's put it on. It's a bit heavy, but it beats dragging cables around like with another electrical trimmer. That looks good. It's now 4 hours later and the hedge is cut all around. I still need to clean it up. We'll do that with the lawnmower. But first of all, I need to cut a couple of branches off. I'm a pretty lazy guy, so I'm not gonna rake all this up because that's way too much work. You know, some people do. I'm just using my lawnmower to drive over it a couple of times and then it's all gone. All right,